more sad news, I'm afraid. Fauja Singh, the iconic runner who earned the tag of the world's oldest marathoner, has died at the age of 114, but in a road accident, in a hit-and-run accident. He's someone who was known as the Turbaned Tornado. He became a global icon for defying age and limitations. He died in hospital after a hit-and-run accident in Jalandhar district on Monday evening. Now, he was struck by an unidentified vehicle while out for a walk in his native Jalandhar. Singh was immediately rushed to a private hospital but succumbed to injuries. He was born in 1911 and he only started running at the age of 89. Now, the shock of his death and also the manner of his death, condolences and tributes are pouring in from across the country and beyond. He had become a symbol, as we said, of resilience and healthy aging. Prime Minister Modi expressed grief, calling him extraordinary for the way he inspired Indian youth to embrace fitness. As we said, many condolences pouring in, but so far no sign of who caused Fauja Singh's accident.
ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮੁੜ ਕੇ ਸ਼ਾਮ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਟੈਲੀਫੋਨ ਤੇ ਇਤਲਾਹ ਮਿਲੀ ਹੈ ਮ੍ਰਿਤਕ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਫੌਜਾ ਸਿੰਘ ਦੇ ਬੇਟੇ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਹਰਵਿੰਦਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਸੀਰੀਮਨ ਹਸਪੀਟਲ ਡੈਥ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਹੈ। ਅਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਹਸਪੀਟਲ ਆਏ ਹਾਂ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਬਿਆਨ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਅੱਜ ਮੁਕੱਦਮਾ ਨੰਬਰ 114 ਅੰਡਰ ਸੈਕਸ਼ਨ 281 105 BNS ਜਿਹੜਾ ਦਰਜ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ ਨਾਮ ਨੂੰ ਵਹੀਕਲ ਦੇ ਖਿਲਾਫ।
किस चीज़ में एक्सीडेंट है कुछ
ਇਹ ਸਰ ਨਾਮ ਗੱਡੀ ਕੋਈ ਵਹੀਕਲ ਕਾਰ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ CA ਟੀਮਾਂ ਸਾਡੇ ਥਾਣੇ ਦੇ ਪੁਲਿਸ ਕਰਮਚਾਰੀ ਸਾਰੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ CCTV ਕੈਮਰੇ ਦੀ ਉਹ ਚੈਕਿੰਗ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਜਲਦੀ ਸੀ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਸਰ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿ ਬਿਆਸ ਪਿੰਡ ਦੇ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਫਰੰਟ ਦੇ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿ ਮੇਨ ਰੋਡ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਹਜੇ ਚੈਕਿੰਗ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਜਲਦੀ ਟ੍ਰੇਸ ਹੋਈ।
हमारे देश के लिए वो बहुत एक हमारे सभी के मैं समझता हूँ एक सुपरस्टार थे। 114 साल ज़िंदगी के बतीत किए और डिसिप्लिनरी थे। सबसे बड़ी बात है ये वेरी वेरी डिसिप्लिन लाइफ। तो वो फौजा सिंह जी का जाना सारे देश के लिए और वर्ल्ड ओवर मैं समझता हूँ मैराथन रनर थे। इस एज में इस लेट एज में जब आप लास्ट मोमेंट तक आपको हेल्थ की ज़रूरत डॉक्टर्स की ज़रूरत होती है। अभी तक अनफॉर्चुनेटली ही पास्ट अवे इन अ रोड एक्सीडेंट। तो मैं समझता हूँ बहुत बड़ा नेशनल लॉस है।
It really is a national loss. Let's go across to Gurpreet now for more. And Gurpreet, Fauja Singh, somebody who was so iconic, somebody who started running at the age of 89 and now to be killed in a hit-and-run accident is absolutely shocking. Police so far saying they haven't managed to trace the vehicle.
Well, what we have learned from police, they have already initiated investigation the moment they learned Fauja Singh was killed in hit-and-run accident. What we have learned, they are trying to check all the CCTV camera nearby the spot so that they will be able to identify the vehicle. What we have learned, the vehicle was able to run away from the spot immediately after hitting Fauja Singh, and Fauja Singh was being taken to nearby hospital by the villagers where he's come to injuries. Now the police have also recovered some of the broken pieces of some damaged part of the vehicle so that they will be able to get leads. Some of the forensic experts, they have already been roved in so that they will be able to identify the vehicle, and after that they will be pursuing the investigation to just understand how this accident had been happened. But it's a national loss. We have seen Fauja Singh was very very proactive at the age of 114 years, and he was contributing a lot of things for motivating the youth. And recently we have seen Punjab governor had also roved him in that campaign which was being initiated by Punjab governor against drug menace in the state of Punjab. So as of now we have to wait and watch how the investigation will be unfolded. What we have learned, the children of Fauja Singh, they are staying abroad. The dead body has already been kept in a hospital in Jalandhar, and the further investigation which has been initiated by Punjab police, we have to wait and watch how the investigation will be unfolded. Back to studio.
That's right, Gurpreet, really very tragic. And the Punjab Assembly also a moment of silence. They're paying tribute to Fauja Singh. All right, so a minute silence there and tributes, for Fauja Singh in the Punjab.
Member Sahiban te जिन्हां नूं आप जी दे प्यारे लोकां वल्लों मतदान करके ਇਹ ਸਦਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਾਨੂੰਨ ਘੜਨ ਲਈ ਭੇਜਿਆ ਜੀਓ। ਆਪ ਜੀ ਦੀ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਸਦਕਾ ਅੱਜ ਦਾਸਾਂ ਤੇ ਮਿਹਰ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਆਪ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਇਸ ਪਵਿੱਤਰ ਸਦਨ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਵਿਧਾਨ ਸਭਾ ਦੇ ਮੈਂਬਰ ਸਾਹਿਬਾਨ ਤੇ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਆਪ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਵੱਲੋਂ